You can use color to distinguish oscilloscope traces. This makes it much easier to interpret the display. I have a circuit with a sinusoidal source and an RC circuit connected, and I'm looking at the input and the output. Now, if you don't do anything special, we see both traces are color-coded red, and trying to distinguish input and output might not be easy at first glance anyways. It turns out that the color of the segment connecting the signal to the oscilloscope governs the trace color. So here I've done a right-click, colored the segment blue, and now we can clearly see the difference between the input in red and the output in blue.